Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I'll be showing you more pliers from Vamplier tools. They did send them to me at no cost so that I can show them to you guys, and I only accept tools like this to review in my videos if I think they're good quality. And since I've been using their pliers for many years, I do feel confident in showing them to you guys. And I've got a pair of needle nose pliers, a smaller pair here, and there's a few pairs here that I want to show you as well in the video. To start with, I'm going to focus on the needle nose pliers. They're part number VT-001-7LN. And as you can see, they're made in Japan, and they do make good stuff over there. By the way, they're 7.5 inches long or 190 millimeters. And if you've seen my other video reviews on Vamplier tools, you will see that they are excellent pliers for removing stripped bolts and screws. So what I'll do is take the needle nose pliers out of the package here. It's quite easy. And here's a close-up look at them. They do look of good quality. And they actually feel of really good quality in your hands as well. Now they do have a cutter over here. They do have vertical serrations as well as horizontal. And this is what these pliers excel at, is just grabbing the head of a screw or bolt and just loosening them up or taking it out altogether. And if you do small engine repair like me, sometimes you do get stripped screws on carburetors. You can just reach right in there on the screw. And you can see the vertical serrations are just gripping that screw really well. And at least you can get your screws loosened up that way. And here's another close-up look at the serrations. And by the way, these are warranted for up to 4 years as long as they're used properly. Now I've got these smaller pliers here. They're called Vampliers Mini, 4.5 inches long or 120 millimeters. Part number VT-001-5. Made in Japan as well. And again, an easy package to get them out of. Here's a close-up view of them. They do feel of good quality as well. They've got a nice grip in your hands. I do like the cushion on the handles. And have a look at the serrations on this pair of pliers as well. And again, you could easily undo stripped screws with these. And surprisingly, even though they are a short pair of pliers, you do have pretty good leverage. So these will definitely be handy in the smaller areas, tighter spots. They're very nimble in your hands as well. And these also have little holes here that you can tie a ring or something to keep them on your belt or your tool pouch. Now the next pair of pliers I want to show you is this one over here. This is an upgraded or updated version of this one over here. And these are part number VT-002-6, and they are made in Japan as well. They're 6.25 inches long or 160 millimeters. And they do have the vertical and horizontal serrations as well, like all the Vamplier pliers do. And let's get these out of the package. And again, a very similar style of handles as the other pliers I just showed you. And this is a black oxide metal. They've got a good cutter here. Very aggressive serrations here. And these pliers also feel of very good quality in your hands. And these will work really well for small carburetor screws or whatever you're working on. Now the older pair over here is part number VT-001, made in Japan as well. And they are the same length, 6.25 inches. However, the older pair here has a spring, so they open up on their own. And this pair here, compared to the new pair, has a shorter cutter. And again, the black pair here is the updated version of this one. I just thought I'd show you both. So if you do want to update to the latest version like this, just get this one here, part number VT-002-6. But no matter which pair you have between the two here, they are both excellent pliers. And I'll give you one last close look at them here before I end off the video. And here's that pair of needle nose pliers again. These will be super handy in the shop. And here's the Vampliers Mini. And here's the Vampliers Brute. Nice looking pliers, by the way. And here's the older version of this one. And again, you'll notice on all the Vamplier pliers that there are holes in the handles. You can attach a hook or a keychain or something to keep them tied up to your tool pouch or your belt. So what I've done is put links underneath the video to all these pliers. You can go check them out. You can also purchase them directly on their website, I believe, or from some distributor. And I'm sure if you do buy these pliers, you will not be disappointed with them. And I can fully guarantee you that I would not be reviewing these pliers if I did not think they were good. So as I mentioned earlier, guys, I've been using Vamplier pliers for many years in my shop. I've never had an issue with any of them. Even the padding on the handles is not broken off or peeled off or anything like that. So if you do buy these pliers, guys, you can be confident that you're not going to have any issues with them, and the people at Vamplier Tools are great to deal with. And also remember, guys, these are professional pliers. They're made to be used every day in an industrial environment. They're not like your regular homeowner pliers. And if you do buy any of these pliers, you're going to have them for life. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to check out their website, vampliertools.com. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.